Yo, what's up, everybody? This is the newest member of Baby Money, Young Baby Bird Bath. And I'm making this video to promote the first single off my new album entitled I Only Sign Titties. So, this is a little sneak peek at the new video, just something to trickle down your throat. And it's entitled Bitch Came Over. Roll it. Bitch came over with a baby stroller. I was like, boop, came over. So I hope y'all enjoyed the little sneak preview of my video. Bitch came over. I do private events. I do birthdays. I do weddings, bar mitzvahs, baptisms, quinceañeras. Anything y'all can think about. I don't discriminate. I celebrate. Google me at Young Baby Bird Bath Ceremonies. Or you can get at me on Twitter, www.twitter.com/your-boy in the Young Baby family money, youngbabybirdbath.com. Get at me, pimps.